Today, headed out. We're doing a bunch of things today. We're going to do slow roll at the Grand Prix Bellisle. But right now, I'm headed to go pick up some packages that were delivered. So some things are gonna help me just get back in better health and physical shape to make movies and perform. Alright, so picked up the package. Grab this. Unfortunately, this is something that I wasn't able to hack or prototype, but it's a product. I got it fairly inexpensive off of Amazon Prime, and it is a USB hub, something that I could put multiple USB devices connected to my computer because I obviously need more than one hard drive. I use a Wacom tablet to do a lot of my illustrations and Photoshop work, so I need more than the 2 USB ports that the Apple MacBook Pro allots me. All right, so this little dingle, this little just hanging here is gonna bother me. So we're gonna come up with something to make that stick onto that, like that. Efficiency, design hack. This thing, which is actually fairly cool. And then it becomes a dangle. I don't like dangles. We don't want that. We want that. Look at that. So we gotta figure out how to make this like this. Grab some Velcro. And obviously once you see we got the function under control, I didn't like just having like regular little Velcro things on the back of my computer, because if it wasn't there, I still want it to be cool and have that really cool element. That Apple has with their products. I want to keep that. So I thought, all right, I figured out the function. Let's make it artsy. What you might want to do is plug it in, whether it's a USB hard drive or some type of connector like this. You want to figure out how you want to orient this thing and what's going to work best for you. Me, I might run like that. I'm not necessarily ecstatic about all the cords running out like that. Running it this way would be cool, but there lies a problem. This is how I orient most of my hard drives. So with that said, that just wouldn't work. Also, the USB port should be pointing down, which means I would have to do that, and that looks ugly. Oh, aesthetics. So, what I'm seeming that I might like the best is rather that or just this. It still doesn't make the back of this thing look beautiful, but it'll be neat. So I'm thinking I'll do that. And since I'm doing that, I think the coolest little thing I could do right here is make an eye. So let's make an eye. What I like to do is to take the hook and the loop and just put a couple pieces together. Loosely measure that out. Grab some scissors. Cut the loop. I don't like the idea of the hook and loop being all, the eye being just like a regular block eye, like that. So I think I'm gonna make it like at an angle. I think I'm gonna cut this at like some type of cool little shape. I don't know, I even might curve that, make that the eye. So I'm gonna go 3/4 of the way up when I cut it. I like that. Gonna kind of follow. I'm gonna use this as a template to get that same line across. because I want that to be similar. Please believe there's no waste. Like these little things right here, these will be used for something. This might not come out as cool as I want it. I have to accept that too. That might have just been good enough. And if it is, then tough luck, because I messed it up. This will be the shape. It'll be good enough. But what's very important is not to separate these, to put them on the way that you want them. Put it to your device first. I think I want to leave a little space in there so we understand for sure that it's somebody's impersonation of an eye. Get at all the firm press in there. And then you do the same thing. And I like to do this because I don't want any movement. I want it to be lined up perfect. So this helps me do that. So now the last part is to really decide where I want this oriented. That relatively looks good. Give her a good old press. And that's the cool thing about this, is like you can turn these things on and off one by one, which is fairly dope. So this is what happens when you're late to slow roll. You have to find parking downtown and figure out what the bike path is and catch up with everybody. But I did it. All right, so we're at Slow Roll Grand Prix. This is Hate by Design. And this is some love. This is love by design. And we're rolling. Right. Very nice bike, my friend. Thank you. Trish is back here somewhere. There's my other friend. We out here getting. I always think about ways you can get out and engage with people, different walks of life, people that you otherwise wouldn't be able to experience. And different outings like slow roll is one of those things. So slow roll is over. It was a good one. Trisha's first slow roll, as you can see. Obviously, Captain came through. Another successful ride. Back to it. Hey. So today we covered a way to use Velcro to tidy up our space and make our workflow and workspace a lot neater. We jimmy rigged some stuff. We went slow rolled, picked up some packages. It's looking about that time, and I'd like to thank you for yours. If these videos help you out or you enjoy them in any way, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to ring the bell to stay up to date with everything happening with the channel. Leave a comment below and share with us any of the design flaws that you found in your community, school, workplace, or even home. And it might become a topic for one of our next shows or vlogs. Until next time, I'm Fashawn Vega. Define, design, repeat. Alright, so this guy is one of my favorite people to see. Look at this. That's just fun. Wouldn't you love for that to be your dad? coolest dad in the world ever. Check that out. Way too cool. Way too cool.